back to Frenzy episode 2 of season 4.
Look what this
I
green
have
is.
diamonds, but
Oh,
no,
they probably split.
no
Okay.
lava. Don't have a cave
Idiots.
either, because I dug down, didn't find a cave. Looking for a cave. Looking for a cave. Wait, what?
Enabled.
What just happened?
PvP was enabled.
No, they just like sent the message again.
Why?
Use the first one. Okay, I already stopped recording anyway, and then started again. I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Oh! Oh, damn it! I just lost my Iron Man to iron.
Videos. And
Oh, well, she found Sean and JPG.
okay, hopefully this is fine. And
It's only episode 2. Well, she don't do it. Don't be kill thirsty.
alright, and welcome back to my episode. Of
It took you.
episode 2. No, I tried to switch the video that was already in my. I just made no, I didn't. I switched. I changed it, but I tried to make it.
I'm YOLOing through caves so hard right now.
My game just froze. Oh no, all good. Good.
Why is the skeleton still following me?
Why? Oh no.
What? Are you having recording issues?
No, I should be fine. Yeah, I'm fine. It just froze twice. Be fine. Yeah. This
Oh!
one's dirty.
My iron was replaced by iron boots.
Yeah, you don't need to make iron boots.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
fine, by
like
the way.
a less than 1% chance to get armor.
They're casing wonder. Can I roller coast? Big roller coaster.
I mean, you could. I don't know if that's, you know, good.
Yeah, I won't.
Oh, my hostile creatures are really low, that's why.
Your lava.
I haven't really gotten any bad effects from iron. I've gotten damaged and blinded once, but I mean, that's not that bad.
Do you have any lapis?
Not yet. I don't have that good of a cave yet, still. It's all, like, high-level caves. Oh, hey, Skelly in full gold armor. Alright, I'm just gonna dig down. Rip Walshy Terra combo. Memes! So, you got a good cave?
Probably not. I don't know what. Oh, that's gravel, not cobble. That could have been bad.
Please let me find the cave.
No, this isn't much of a cave, I don't think. This is a problem.
Yeah,
There
we're...
might be a cave.
Oh, I hear a cave, yes. Thank God.
Oh my god. I've taken so much stupid damage.
There's still, like, a heart down only, though.
I just took gravel damage.
Listen, I accept you for who you are.
Alright.
What don't I need? I don't need that. That. By the way, the only redstone blocks I'm making are ones I get from mining redstone.
I found gold. There's more cave over here.
Oh, look, I just got
yeah.
2 more redstone blocks.
Hey man.
Yeah?
So, let's start. Oh, I got hunger from gold, but I also found the stronghold, so you know.
Oh.
Your gold dropped obsidian, by the way.
Oh.
I got 1 piece of obsidian. Yeah, I also found the stronghold.
Oh.
This is the second time I found the stronghold in a recorded round.
Where is this lava? Is it above me? It is above me.
Can we change the game mode to Dragon Frenzy real quick?
Dragon Frenzy?
Found more gold.
I found a cave, finally. Oh, fucking mining. Oh, Jesus. Whoa, creeper almost blew me up.
Oh my
Apparently.
gosh, I got hunger like 4 times, and I got mining fatigue.
I'm gonna take damage here. I took damage.
It's a really scary cave.
I've got lots of gold and iron here.
You're a baby zombie.
Oh, this skeleton has an enchanted bow.
Oh man.
Didn't drop it.
We're at the same health.
Dude, we're so in sync. I was just mining gold and the skeleton shot me, man.
Alright, I have mining fatigue. Oh my gosh, this is so overpowered, I can't even mine iron.
I know. It's really annoying. Probably should have made armor before caving, but you know, semantics.
Iron.
Oh my god, this mouse sensitivity.
I think people are gonna question my caving.
Why?
I'm literally just like rushing every single mob ever.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Oh, by the way, if this didn't make it into the intro, we're team boy.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're team boy. Just boy.
Yeah,
Only
just boy.
I got hunger again, and I got haste. I guess that's okay.
In the intro, the name should literally just be boy, not even the
Yeah.
word team in there.
Yeah, we don't need that part. People know who we are.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're the boys.
yeah, boy.
Boy. We're the boy. We are one boy.
Boy. Single.
Single boy.
We're actually gonna need a lot of gold in this game mode.
I have 27.
I haven't mined a lot of mine yet, but there's plenty of it, I assure you.
You assure me?
I assure you. Ah, my gold dropped obsidian. Don't really want that. Have a diamond pick already.
Oh, okay. I guess I don't really need this obsidian then.
No, you don't. Unless you want to use it for a building block for whatever reason.
Oh, yeah, it's a great idea.
Whoa! Gold just dropped a skeleton. Gold gave me hunger, thanks. Gold gave me hunger, thanks. Gold gave me haste, thanks. It's honestly not that great to get all these effects, because you're not getting the gold out. Oh, you did? Nice.
Yeah. Ow!
Did they damage you?
4. Yeah, one did a heart. I got 4 out of 5.
Oh, iron has blinded
Oh
me.
my gosh, the ore damaging you is so scary.
It's like, what the heck, man? Oh, this blindness lasts a while.
20 something seconds. Still haven't gotten the water bucket.
I think the nether's on, by the way, but I think... I don't know.
I was gonna say if we got... I forgot to mention...
Yeah?
Okay,
What?
redstone with... TNT replaced redstone, and I didn't know if it was ignite or not,
Oh,
but it just disappeared, so I have no idea what just happened, so I'm terrified.
I just got 3 redstone blocks in a row. I found diamonds.
Wait.
Ah, it damaged me.
It was fate.
One of them damaged me, and then I only got 1 more diamond.
It was fate. Look at our health.
I should've... Ah! Iron just damaged me, never mind.
Damn it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna heal one since I have an apple and gold.
I do have an apple on me, I can do the same.
Oh my god. Still higher than Bit. I want to kill Bit too. Oh, dude, we need to get... Oh, dude, find the... Are you still in the stronghold?
Yeah.
Make sure to find the book room.
Try.
Because we could get some really overpowered books from that. Found more diamonds.
And we'll have bows.
Yeah. 1, 2... I'm finding 2 veins of diamonds. Okay, good. I have like 3 extra diamonds now.
And then I have 4 extra.
You want to make pants? Just kidding.
Dude, why wouldn't we?
I know. Thank God mobs are broken as hell in 1.8.
Dude, have you played any of 1.9 yet?
No.
Mobs are so... You have to fight them so differently.
Yeah, I figured.
It's like, if you just like, rush them... I needed that water, I'm an idiot. If you just rush them, they're...
Are you okay? You just stopped talking again?
Yeah, I know. I found a witch.
Okay, I'm healing up.
Don't worry, I killed the witch. It's
Alright,
all good.
please don't get poisoned. That's gonna take a lot of gold.
It's all good, I killed the witch. That,
It's
I
good.
just got...
I have
like,
6 redstone
card.
blocks on me. Let's see. No one's on horrible health.
Ah, man. If I ever stop talking, you know exactly what's going on. You're just sitting there, just like, what's
Yeah.
He's what?
Don't die, man. Don't die, don't die, don't die.
What was I? I don't actually.
I just see
remember what I
Andy was
said.
shot by Andy, like, dude, what the hell?
Sorry, I was so threatened by myself.
I had to take out the best player in the game.
Yeah.
Alright, I need more cave, please.
If I shoot myself, then I can say I killed the best player in a recorder round.
Coot shark peeing, no kid. I could blast mine once.
Only once.
I have 1 TNT. I don't even have a water bucket yet. I haven't seen a source of water in this cave.
I said out loud, I need a water bucket, and the first source of water I immediately blocked off and like destroyed it. I was so scared.
Are you okay?
No! The gold mutated into a skeleton.
You need to make like a jump scare compilation.
This is the most scared I've ever been playing block game.
Oh, I found lapis. I just walked right by it.
Oh, I've had lapis for a while.
Well, I got more lapis.
Alright, man.
I got night vision.
Can you see with your special eyes?
I can see in the dark. I can see through your bullshit.
Oh. I need to see that. I need to find that library thing in the jig.
You do need to find out. We need bows.
Ah, okay. I need to just calm down.
Yeah, man, just relax. Go to the spa. Do something.
I'm gonna make a spa in block game.
Jared and Vinny are down to in the 60s.
Killed the skeleton. All good. Don't get the meme.
I say that as I take damage.
I feel like I've went past the book room.
It's
I'm
wooden.
gonna call me out on it. Thank you. Thank you.
I just thought I'd help out, man.
Crazy block game.
This is the craziest of them all. I don't like having night vision, because I don't like full bright, and it's basically full bright.
Can't find.
Am I out of cave? I don't want to be out of cave. This is literally where I just was. If I could get a water source, that'd be great.
Yeah, I know, right?
Because I could at least
Oh my
get the
gosh, I'm just going
obsidian.
in circles. I don't know where this library
Alright, I
goes.
could have sworn I heard water over here earlier. Oh!
Bitlington was barbecued.
Aw, GG.
Rest in peace, Bitlington. GG.
Warmest Bitlington. Aw.
I don't want to play this game anymore.
Why? You just took more damage.
I'm gonna heal.
What'd you take damage from?
I fell again. I tripped again. I have over half a stack of gold.
That's good. I have 9 gold on me. Poor Bit.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, what?
You did the thing I told you not to do.
What?
Go in lava with fire resistance, come out too late, and then burn to death because you don't have water.
Oh. That sucks. Yo, if I could find this water, that'd be great. I'm like awful at digging to sounds.
Same.
Or I was good at it, but
I'm out of pickaxe.
everything sounds different with this new computer.
I just made a button and I don't know why.
Come on, it's gotta be around here
People are gonna
somewhere.
make fun of my crafting. I'm really bad at it.
No, it's okay, we make fun of Joey for his crafting too.
I
Oh,
backed
fuck.
88.
Spider, 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 spider. Killed it. No biggie.
You scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Alright, good. More cave.
Something down. There's a man in my cave. Are you kidding?
What? No, 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 no.
I don't want to play this block game anymore. Crazy block game is crazy.
Who is it?
I don't know, but it's over.
Don't die.
Okay.
I can't pick up this string. Oh!
It's Beast. Beast person.
He's good. I wouldn't fight him at that health. Unless you can get the absolute jump on him. Oh, no, Andy! No. Do you know where your chords were?
I have no clue.
Oh, no. I had just found diamonds, too. I thought this was going to be a happy day. Well, GG, Andy. I'm sorry. I couldn't help you.
I just want to have fun.
Aww. Those girls, they want to have fun. I didn't even get the string. I can't pick up the string. I got it.
I got him to 12%.
GG, Andy. Thanks for playing. Had you healed up?
Yeah, I did. Once.
Okay.
Crazy block game.
Are you gonna stay here or are you gonna go?
I'll stay here for a little bit, man.
Okay.
Oh, I'll eat my M&Ms.
I found water. I found more diamonds.
Did I even make it to the 3rd episode? I didn't.
No, I'm sorry, dude. Well. Oh, no, you had the stronghold too.
Yep.
Did you ever find the book room?
Nope. He had a
No.
bow, though.
At least
And he
maybe.
shot my face.
Maybe. Oh, and that's the end of episode 2, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm solo from here on out. Bye.